Have you ever dreamed of looking like a starlet on the red carpet? It's a night for glamour. Think shimmering gowns and flawless makeup. Achieving that red carpet glow is easier than you think. With a few simple steps and the right products, you can create a show-stopping makeup look for your next special event. Let's get started. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of achieving red carpet glam. We'll cover everything from prepping your skin to applying the finishing touches. Remember, the key is to enhance your natural beauty and create a look that makes you feel confident and radiant. Let's dive in. Before you even think about makeup, it's crucial to prep your skin. Skincare is the foundation of any great makeup look. Without a well-prepped base, even the best makeup products can fall short. Think of your skin as a canvas. Just as an artist wouldn't paint on a rough, unprepared surface, you shouldn't apply makeup on skin that hasn't been properly cared for. A smooth, hydrated canvas will hold makeup better and create a flawless finish. Hydration is key to achieving that dewy, glowing look that everyone desires. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. This step is essential to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities that have accumulated on your skin throughout the day or night. This will remove any dirt, oil, or impurities. Cleansing not only refreshes your skin, but also ensures that your pores are clean and ready to absorb the next products you apply. Next, apply a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a moisturizer out there for you. Moisturizer will plump up the skin and create a smooth surface for makeup application. Don't forget your lips. They need hydration too. Exfoliate your lips with a lip scrub to remove any dry skin. This step is often overlooked, but is crucial for a smooth lipstick application. Follow with a hydrating lip balm. This will lock in moisture and keep your lips soft and supple. This will ensure your lipstick goes on smoothly and doesn't emphasize any dryness. A well-prepped lip can make all the difference in how your lipstick looks and feels. Taking the time to properly prep your skin will make a huge difference in the final makeup look. It might seem like an extra step, but it's one that pays off in the long run. It's an essential step you don't want to skip. Proper skincare not only enhances your makeup, but also improves the overall health and appearance of your skin. So, always remember, skincare first. Primer is like the magic potion of the makeup world. It's the secret ingredient that can transform your makeup routine from ordinary to extraordinary. It creates a barrier between your skin and makeup, ensuring that your makeup stays put all day long. This barrier not only helps in longevity, but also protects your skin from the harsh ingredients in some makeup products. This helps to fill in pores, smooth out fine lines, and create a flawless base for your foundation. Imagine it as a canvas, smoothing out all the imperfections so that your makeup can glide on effortlessly. Choose a primer that addresses your specific skin concerns. There are various types of primers available, each designed to tackle different skin issues. If you have oily skin, opt for a mattifying primer. This type of primer will help control excess oil and shine, giving you a more matte finish throughout the day. For dry skin, a hydrating primer is ideal. It will provide the necessary moisture to keep your skin looking fresh and dewy, preventing your makeup from clinging to dry patches. Apply a small amount of primer all over your face, focusing on areas where you have large pores or fine lines. A little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Allow the primer to set for a minute before moving on to foundation. This waiting period is crucial as it gives the primer time to fully absorb into your skin. This will give it time to sink into your skin and do its magic. You'll notice that your foundation applies more smoothly and lasts longer. Trust me, your foundation will thank you. With the right primer, you'll achieve a flawless, long-lasting makeup look that will keep you looking fresh and fabulous all day. Foundation is the key to creating a flawless, even-toned complexion. For a red carpet look, we want to go for full coverage. This means choosing a foundation that provides high pigmentation and covers any imperfections. When selecting a foundation, it's crucial to choose a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. Test the foundation on your jawline in natural light to find the best match. Apply the foundation with a brush or sponge, starting from the center of your face and blending outwards. Don't forget to blend down your neck and into your hairline to avoid any harsh lines. The key to a flawless foundation application is blending, blending, blending. Section 5. Conceal and brighten under eye perfection. Even with full coverage foundation, we can all use a little help in the under eye area. Concealer is our secret weapon for brightening up dark circles and disguising any imperfections. Choose a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply the concealer in an upside-down triangle shape under your eyes. This will help to create a lifting effect. Blend the concealer out with a damp sponge or brush using a tapping motion. You can also use concealer to cover up any blemishes or redness. Just apply a small amount to the affected area and blend gently. Remember, less is more when it comes to concealer. Section 6. Setting the stage, powder power. Now that we've perfected our base, it's time to set it in place. Setting powder helps to lock in your makeup and prevent shine. It also helps to create a smooth surface for the rest of your makeup application. Use a fluffy brush to apply a light dusting of powder all over your face, focusing on your T-zone. That's your forehead, nose, and chin. This is where you tend to get the most shine throughout the day. If you have dry skin, you can skip the powder on your cheeks. You can also use a setting spray instead of powder for a more dewy finish. Section 7. Sculpt and define contouring techniques. Contouring is like magic for your face. It helps to sculpt and define your features, creating the illusion of higher cheekbones, a slimmer nose, and a more defined jawline. Choose a contour powder that is 2 to 3 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Use an angled brush to apply the contour powder in the hollows of your cheekbones, along your hairline, and on the sides of your nose. Blend the contour powder well to avoid any harsh lines. Remember, the goal is to create subtle shadows that enhance your natural features. Section 8. Eyes that captivate. Shadow, liner, and lashes. Now it's time for the fun part. The eyes. Eyes are often considered the windows to the soul, and with the right makeup, they can truly captivate and mesmerize. Whether you're going for a subtle day look or a bold evening statement, the eyes can make all the difference. For a red carpet look, we want to create a dramatic and captivating eye makeup look. This means going beyond the basics and really playing up the features that make your eyes stand out. It's all about creating a look that is both glamorous and unforgettable. Think smoky eyes, winged liner, and voluminous lashes. These elements work together to create a look that is both sultry and sophisticated. Smoky eyes add depth and mystery, while winged liner gives a touch of elegance and drama. Voluminous lashes complete the look by adding that extra bit of flair. Start by applying a neutral eyeshadow all over your eyelid as a base. This helps to even out the skin tone on your eyelids and provides a smooth canvas for the rest of your eye makeup. A good base is essential for making sure your eye makeup stays in place and looks flawless all day or night. Then, use a darker shade in the crease of your eyelid to create depth and dimension. This technique helps to define the shape of your eyes and makes them appear larger and more expressive. Blend the darker shade well to avoid any harsh lines and to achieve a seamless transition between colors. You can also use a shimmery eyeshadow on your eyelid for a touch of glamour. Shimmery eyeshadows catch the light beautifully and can make your eyes look more awake and vibrant. Apply it to the center of your eyelid to really make your eyes pop. Next, line your upper lash line with black eyeliner. This step helps to define your eyes and make your lashes look fuller. You can use a pencil, gel, or liquid liner depending on your preference and the look you're going for. For a more dramatic look, create a winged liner by extending the liner slightly upwards at the outer corner of your eye. This classic technique elongates the eyes and adds a touch of sophistication and allure. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to take your time to get the wing just right. Finish off your eye makeup with a few coats of volumizing mascara. Mascara not only adds volume and length to your lashes, but also helps to open up your eyes and make them appear more awake. Wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes and then sweep upwards for maximum impact. And there you have it. A stunning eye makeup look that's perfect for any red carpet event.